So my name's Dan Brown. I work for Edinburgh Sculpture Workshop and I'm the curator of research there. I manage the artistic program, which is a series of residencies, a research program, an exhibition program and commissions. And I'm here in Buenos Aires as part of an exchange with Ira de Dios. We've brought two artists from Scotland, Birta Jorgensen and Scott Rogers, to collaborate with Santiago Poggio here in La Ira. And they've been here for a month, and in June and July they will return to Scotland and work for 2 months to produce new work to be exhibited as part of the Edinburgh Art Festival.
My name is Ira de Dios. I am a Danish artist currently living and working in Glasgow, United Kingdom. I have been living in Glasgow for the last 5 years and working as an artist and a lecturer at the art school there.
I suppose I've treated this part of the residency as predominantly as a research opportunity because I've not been to Buenos Aires before, and a lot of my work is related to kind of human encounters with animals, particularly these situations of kind of urban ecology. So one of the things I've been researching here was the Costanera Sur ecological reserve, which I'm quite interested in because of it being like a reclaimed industrial site that has then become a kind of really important park for nature, but also a really important social space in the city. And there's a similar park like this in Edinburgh, so I'm kind of interested in this like geographic relationship and sort of some similarities and differences that might come up.
Siempre los momentos de residencia a mí me parecen que son muy productivos porque uno se olvida un poco de lo cotidiano que tiene que cumplir y por ahí ciertas exigencias con la obra que uno no se sabe por qué se las autoexige. Y es como un momento de relax en donde uno puede producir lo que sea, como un momento de libertad, ¿no? Para explorar diferentes cosas.
I usually work I have a studio by myself in Glasgow, so for me to be here working with everyone else has been really fantastic, both because of sharing this amazing building and kind of sharing our, living together, but also working together, and the ways that, eating food and having conversations and making artwork all kind of blend into each other.
It's also a project or a program that really resonates with the way that I work, which often has to do with geographical displacement, identity, globalization in a materialistic world.
And hopefully now that this first residency has taken place between the two organisations, the path will be open so other artists can travel back and forward between the two countries. I think it'd be valuable cultural exchange both for Scotland and for Argentina.